In this video we will learn to make the main image of the article of our product reviews. So let's start. The final product will look like this, and we're going to now we are going to learn how we can do this. So first of all, you'll be given a range of products. You'll have already done this article about their reviews, but when it comes to making the main image, let's proceed with that. So first of all, go to the first link of the product, maybe first, second, whichever you prefer, and after that download it. Let me simply download it. Okay, I'm going to download it, and I'm going to remove.bg. This is to remove the background. And okay, the background has been removed, and I'm gonna download it now. Okay, here I have it. And now let me see, it's okay. Now we need to create a new file of this pixel, that is 300 into 156 size. Okay, so go to the home page of Canva, sign up for an account over here, and here create a account, create a design, custom size. It's 300 by 156 pixel. All right, click on create new design. Let me check it again. Okay, and now we're going to make this template black one, black background, and I'm going to use a element here which is a rectangle. Let me make it white. Okay, and now I'm gonna rotate this bit like this. Okay, and I'm going to expand it. Let's see how much we can do that. Okay, I think that will be good enough. We can adjust that. And now I'm going to upload over here. I'm gonna upload this downloaded file, and here we have it. And I'm gonna drag it over here. Okay, maybe a little bit. And now I'm going to add a text over here, and that will be the main heading of our article. Maybe like best deal. Okay, let me do this. Best deal fuel, and I'm gonna make it look a little um, maybe a little bit, or maybe I can turn this a little. Okay, even maybe this much. Yeah, that would be good. Okay, and maybe I can share this. Okay, or we can also use, like, if we are reviewing 10 different products, then we can write 10 best dual fuel generators, and maybe increase its size a little bit. And I think we're good. See, as simple as that, not so much complicated, simple and clean. And maybe we can also write, okay, this would be also perfect, but we can also add a little bit here, that is revision buying guide. Okay, let's leave it let's just do let's even leave this 10. We may, because we may add products in future, so just to make the visitors clear that they are in the right place, this will be good. And always remember this, you need to remember this, you need to rename this in a way like or for our target keyword. Like if our target keyword is best dual fuel generators, then best hyphen dual fuel generators, and that will be pretty good to go. PNG, um, download. And also, before you upload them to the website, make sure you go to short pixel, compress, and now let's drag it over here, and it will reduce our size from 28 to 8K. Download it, go to its file location, delete the previous one, and rename it by removing the one over here. Okay, so we are going to up to now. So after you have received the post in WordPress draft, just go here and click on add media, upload file, this dual fuel generators, uh, based dual fuel generators. All right, and that would be good to go. And always make sure you add this image between between the first second or second and third paragraph, and after you add them, center it to align it to right side, and yeah, we'll be good to go. So that's it for now for this for creating the feature image, and the next video will learn something more. Sorry.